Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week. That's sounding more like a lie. But if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. And obviously, give this video a like. So today we're looking at the accessories I use the most with my 15 Pro Max. And we're starting with the case. Now, this one here is a Casetify case. I even wanted to buy this case back when I was using an iPhone 12, but unfortunately, I think after a while they started making for the iPhone 12 mini, so I couldn't buy. I had it sitting in my cart for a while, but then when I bought the iPhone 15, I pulled the trigger and I copped this guy. One of the main reasons that I actually got this thing is because of these stickers here at the back that look like somebody who frequently travels, since I haven't really been leaving the country in a while, so this is sort of a nostalgia case that I got. And something also that I plan to do in future is buy one of those Rimowa cases, a silver one, and put a lot of stickers on it. And obviously in terms of protection, it actually will protect my iPhone from falling or when it falls. It also comes obviously with the ring for the MagSafe charging right there. But overall, it's actually a good case that I've been loving to use. This is the case I use the most, although I still have other cases that probably are around the house. And second, we have my Apple Watch Ultra. This is the second version. I use this also mainly at the gym as a fitness tracker. One thing that I'm still yet to do is go hike and do all that hiking trail, what's or not that was updated for this watch. But for the moment, I use it mostly as a notification checker, fitness tracker. And also one thing I love about the Apple Watch is the bands. I can still use the bands that I used to use with my previous watch. I changed from the Series 4 to this guy here. Also mainly because of the size of the watch. As you guys can see, I sort of have big hands, and obviously my wrist is also on the used side. And this is actually the perfect size watch for me. And on this side, we have what I use to listen to music. I actually sometimes carry both of these devices to the gym because that's the place where I tend to go every day. So that's why I keep mentioning gym. This guy here normally is my go-to to use when I'm at the gym. But since these days I've been using Uber when I leave my house, I'd actually first start by using the AirPods Pro 2. These are actually the USB-C version, so these are the most latest version of the AirPods, as you guys can see. But yeah, I normally use in between commute from my home to the gym, and sometimes when this guy there I have to charge, because sometimes I forget to charge the AirPods Max and I have to charge before I go to gym because I like running with it. So in between sessions, while that guy is charging, I tend to use the AirPod Pro 2 with the USB-C charging. One of the features that I love using with this guy, since I tend to misplace my stuff a lot, is the Find My. Since it comes with a U1 or is it U2 chip, you can actually find it very quickly, either by using your phone or sometimes you just tell Siri to ring it so you can find it. And this is a lanyard I bought from Amazon just to keep it so it doesn't fall when I'm carrying it on hand. And then last one, we have my AirPods Max. This is what I use as my main training headphones. They get dirty quite quickly. Thank God Apple made this removable, so I sometimes remove it and wash them. And also because of the washing, as you guys can see, this part also it's starting to sag. I decided to buy the white ones because I mean it matches most of my accessories, and I just like my Apple devices in white or silver. The sound quality on these guys are very good. I love this very much. And I also love the fact that Apple included buttons on this guy because it's really fast for you to go to transparency mode and then play transparency mode, because it's something that I actually use a lot when maybe somebody wants to talk to me at the gym or I want to talk to somebody. Just pause transparency mode, play transparency mode when you're not trying to hear all the noise at the gym. And talking about noise at the gym, the noise cancelling on this guy are another level, which I think is something that you've probably heard from most people that use these guys here. One of the major complaints from people that actually use the AirPods Max is the weight. Now, maybe because of my physical size, I'm quite big. I'm, I think, 6'2", that's around 190 centimeter, and currently I'm weighing 95 kg, if not 96, around there. But that's just to say that I really don't feel the weight that other kids or other people feel when they're wearing this. So I'm assuming because maybe they tiny in size and obviously a little bit on the weakling side, and they actually feel that these guys are heavy. But obviously compared to other headphones, yes, they're heavy, but I honestly don't feel the weight when I'm training at the gym. The only downside is the sweating part, that sometimes they get drenched and I have to clean them. The plan is maybe to get plastic cover for the ear cups, but I know I can actually also buy alternative leather ear cups. That's one amazing thing about Apple devices, is that companies tend to make a lot of accessories for them, which is a win-win for the users. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you do just that, and I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one pretty soon. Peace.